Honorable Panel Speaker, sir, I have studied in Hyderabad Public School, Begumpet. I used to go to my school every day in a bus. My father had made a bus, general bus pass for us. With that pass, we could travel in any bus, So myself and my elder brother, Honorable MP of Hyderabad, Mr. Asaduddin Owaisi, we both used to go together. And when we used to miss the school bus, we used to go to Liberty. I think Honorable CM Saab knows that famous Liberty Theatre was there. Opposite to Liberty Theatre, there was an Akbar Darbar Hotel. Beside Akbar Darbar Hotel, there was a bus stand over there. And from there, we used to take number 7 bus, or number 7A, or 8, or 8A, or 42. And we used to go to Paradise. And from Paradise, we used to walk. And we used to take another bus, 10, 10A, 9, or these buses, and go to Hyderabad Public School. Sir, when we used to come and wait at the bus stop near that Liberty Theatre opposite, sir, I remember, sir, there was a beautiful waterfall. I'm sure my Honorable Chief Minister Saab, my Leader of the House, Mr. Revant Reddy Saab also remembers that पत्थर की दीवार थी सर, बड़ा नाला था, और जो बारिश होती थी जब टैंक बंड भर जाता था तो it had a natural beautiful waterfall. Beautiful water used to fall from there. We used to miss buses and we used to stand there and just keep looking at the lovely, beautiful, what we used to see, the water just flowing from there and going. Or आज we talk about encroachment on nalas, encroachment on lakes. Who have encroached, sir? Where has that disappeared? अफसोस के साथ कहना पड़ता है सर, वो नाले के ऊपर, वो इतना अच्छा खूबसूरत नाले के ऊपर GHMC का ऑफिस बना हुआ है. GHMC, sir. Ab, right, sir. You're right, sir. Poonam Prabhakar Saab said right. Mughal Darbar, right. Mughal Darbar. Later Akbar Darbar, Mughal Darbar Hotel. Biryani was famous there. Nagendra Saab is also saying that. So wo sab chala gaya, sir. So, sir, now the reason is that I'm not criticizing or I'm not demanding that, okay, we need to, break the Necklace Road or break the GHMC office. My only submission through you is that, sir, what we have lost, we have lost. What we have, let us protect it. Let us protect it. Because this is very important. जो खोना था हमने खो दिया है, जो जाना था वो चला गया, जो बचा हुआ है उसको तो कम से कम हम बचा लें. Very rightly said के सिटी ऑफ लेक्स था. सर ये हम कहते हैं गच्ची बोली सर, बौली थी वहां पर एक. Sir, then again I remember, sir, I had taken part in the discussion and I just demanded and I said, Gachibowli पे पूरा इतना information technology इसके building आ रही है, Gachibowli is disappearing. तो Gachibowli को protect किया गया था, sir. It is still there. और वो बौली का जितना एरिया था वो प्रोटेक्ट नहीं हुआ, सिर्फ उतनी बौली प्रोटेक्ट हो गई, बाकी पूरा चला गया. Sir, this is the sad story that is happening, sir. Sir, also, sir, as the capital city and pride of Telangana, Hyderabad is the prime growth engine and the revenue generating gold mine for Telangana government, I would say, sir. We can generate money, sir. Sir, the successive governments and chief ministers in United Andhra Pradesh and subsequently in Telangana state have contributed to the emergency of Hyderabad as a cosmopolitan and metropolitan city with potential to become a truly global city, sir. Honorable Panel Speaker, sir, during the tenure of Congress government in United Andhra Pradesh, the then Chief Minister Dr. Y.S. Rajshekhar Reddy Saab had taken the initiative to form the Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation by merging 12 adjoining municipalities with the then Municipal Corporation of Hyderabad. The Quli Qutub Shah Urban Development Authority was formed in 1981 by the then Chief Minister Mr. T. Anjaya Sahab. Sir, in the United AP and even after the formation of Telangana state, the focus of the government has been on creating civic infrastructure in the peripheral areas at the expense of the core city of Hyderabad, the old city, sir, the old MCH, sir. Sir, some initiatives were taken and Musi Riverfront Development Corporation and Hyderabad Road Development Corporations were formed for cleaning and beautification of Musi and development of roads infrastructure in the GHMC area.
So we have always cooperated and we have always supported and we always wanted the growth of Hyderabad to accelerate. We wanted the Hyderabad to grow. But unfortunately, sir, when I speak about the growth of Hyderabad, I am so saddened. When the growth happens, the real Hyderabad is forgotten. The real true Hyderabad is forgotten. Sir, I have an opportunity and chance, and Allah का शुक्र है कि अल्लाह ने मुझे मुख्तलिफ दुनिया के शहरों में जाने का मौका दिया. Sir, wherever I go, the importance of the old city is there in every city, sir. That is, I mean, the central city is the old city. And every tourist activity, every activities, every shopping, every museum, or everything is at a central part of any city. Let it be London, let it be Paris. So whenever I go, I make sure that I get an accommodation in the central part of the city, whichever city I go to. So recently I had a chance to go to Croatia, sir, Dubrovnik. Sir, I was so shocked and surprised to see. The youngsters might be knowing, young legislators, what is that? The Game of Thrones, right? Am I right? The Game of Thrones, yeah. The young legislators sitting there might be knowing about it. The Game of Thrones was shot in Dubrovnik. And you know, they had a war. Honorable panel speaker, sir, they faced war for 7 to 9 years. And everything was, you know, bombed and every heritage was lost. I have been there. 20 days back I was there with my family. And I was so surprised to see the old town of Dubrovnik. Old town, sir. It is so beautiful. Successfully, they created the old town. जो टूट गया था उसको बनाए. They made it so beautiful. And lakhs of tourists are coming there. So, sir, now my question is that, why can't we protect our own heritage? I really fail to understand that people, you know, they say that the heritage kya kaam ka hai, isko de do. Honorable Chief Minister Sahab, I want to bring to your kind notice, sir, I have been shouting and screaming. And for your information, sir, you should find out, they were all heritage structures which were listed as heritage. List A, list B, list C, list 1, B and 2, C ऐसे थे सर. और उसमें यह था कि उसको कोई हाथ नहीं लगा सकते, उसको कोई कुछ नहीं कर सकते. लेकिन बीआरएस की गवर्नमेंट ने वो सारी हेरिटेज की लिस्ट को खत्म कर दिया. उसमें अब कोई भी हैदराबाद की, कोई भी शहर की, कोई भी पुरानी बिल्डिंग वो हेरिटेज के लिस्ट में नहीं है. पूरे निकाल दिए. सो दिस इज द अपाथी सर. ये तो अफसोस है. Heritage, sir, heritage is very important. We can bring in tourists. Tourists will come to Hyderabad. Sir, Pathargatti, I would say that Pathargatti is the replica of the Milan fashion street, sir. Milan fashion street, the arches, beautiful. What is happening, sir? Sir, we need to protect. So this is why I say that Hyderabad, old city, has been neglected. Kindly, sir, I request that. Let us come together. Ritz Hotel, yeah, Ritz Hotel. It was a famous Ritz Hotel, sir. Ritz Hotel का जो ग्रुप है सर, इतना महंगा, इतने बड़े लोग रहते हैं रिट्स, तो आप अंदाजा लगाइए कि हैदराबाद में रिट्स होटल थी, तो आप अंदाजा लगाइए आज वो भी खत्म हो गई. Yes, sir, you're right. Yes, sir, you're right, sir. We had a lovely swimming pool there. You're right, sir. सर ये ना सर इतना खूबसूरत नौबत पहाड़ बोलते थे जहां पे नौबत बजती थी सर. जहां पे बिरला प्लैनेटोरियम इज देयर, वहां पे नौबत बजती थी. बिरला मंदिर इज देयर. सर वी आर लूजिंग एवरीथिंग सर. तो मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि सर आप के जरिए आई वेलकम द इनिशिएटिव टेकन बाय ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर साहब ऑफ reviving or beautification or rejuvenation of Musi River, sir. I know it's a very, very challenging task, but it is not impossible, sir. Nothing is impossible in this world, sir. If we have the will, automatically ways and means will come and we will do that. Yes. So if the will is there, and the means will also be there, sir.